Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate VMware Cloud on AWS for hybrid operations. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your VMware Cloud Services account. Navigate to the VMware Cloud on AWS dashboard. Select the Cloud Services option from the menu. Click on VMware Cloud on AWS. On the VMware Cloud on AWS page, choose Get Started. Read through the service overview and click Continue. Select your preferred AWS region for deployment. Next, configure the SDDC settings. Enter a name for your SDDC instance. Choose the number of hosts required for your operations. Next, select the appropriate software configuration for your needs. Review your storage and networking options. Once configured, click Review and confirm. Take a moment to check all settings for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click Confirm. The deployment process will now begin. This may take some time, so be patient while your SDDC is provisioned. Once the SDDC is ready, you'll receive a notification. Access your new SDDC from the dashboard. Now, proceed to set up the hybrid connectivity. Select the Networking and Security tab. Choose Hybrid Connectivity. Click on Connect on-premises data center. Follow the prompts to configure direct. Complete the required information for your on-premises network. Confirm the connectivity settings and click Save. Next, configure your firewall rules to allow traffic. Specify the necessary inbound and outbound rules. Finalize your configurations and click Apply. Now, your hybrid environment is set up. You can begin managing workloads between on-premises and cloud. Access the vSphere client to monitor and manage your SDDC efficiently. Explore additional features like automated scaling and monitoring. Start migrating your applications to this hybrid setup. Regularly check for updates and best practices for optimal performance. Congratulations, you have successfully activated VMware Cloud on AWS for hybrid operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.